Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for semi-final phase, and we are revealing the name who are right there in the semi-final phase and face the judges. We have altogether 11 contestants, and 11 because two of the contestants are equal in number, and here they are. The first one, contestant number 2, Preeti Gurung.
And the next one for semi-final is contestant number 25, Yojana Thapamagar.
Next semi-finalist, contestant number 1, Rupa Angbuhan.
And the next one for semi-final is contestant number 6, Baruna Rai.
Contestant number 17, here you are in the semi-final phase. May we have you on stage, Bandhana Rai.
And the next one in top 11 is contestant number 3, Kushi Magar.
Next semi-finalist, contestant number 22, Tina Ghising.
Next semi-finalist for top 11 is contestant number 21, Nabina Khulung.
The semi-finalists next, may we invite contestant number 24, Dina Bantavarai.
And we have next semi-finalist, contestant number 5, Guma Khulung.
And the final name in the semi-final phase, and she is contestant number 10, Sabita Rana. These are all 11 girls, Preeti, Yojana, Rupa, Baruna, Bandhana, Khushi, Tina, Nabina, Dina, Goma and Sabita. And now it's time for the contestants to prove their intelligence among the judges. Number 25, she is, and Yojana, तपाईले छान्नु भएको निर्णायक हुनुहुन्छ वासुदेव दाहाल.
Hi,
Hello, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir.
Let me put my question. Who inspires you the most in your life? Can you explain the reason?
Thank you for your question, sir.
Yeah.
The person who inspires me a lot in my life is my mother. My mother is my inspiration no matter wherever I go. She is the reason. That's why I'm standing here in front of all of you. I've seen her not only as my mother, but I've seen her as a very good wife for my father, a good daughter-in-law for my grandparents, and also she has, since I am from a Gorkha family, my father has been staying away from me, and my mother has never and ever given me any moment that I would miss my father. She has taken that that responsibility very seriously, very carefully, and also my mother is also a very good social worker, and I'm always inspired by her. Thank you.
You're welcome. Nice one.
Rupa, you will be answering Subin Limbu.
Rupa, my question is pretty simple. तपाईको विचारमा 21औं शताब्दीको महिलाको सबैभन्दा ठुलो चुनौती के होला र किन?
सर्वप्रथम त प्रश्नको लागि धन्यवाद म्याम. अहिलेको 21औं शताब्दीमा महिलाहरूको सबैभन्दा ठुलो चुनौती भनेको परनिर्भरता हो. जबसम्म महिलाहरू अरूप्रति निर्भर रहन्छन् तबसम्म आफ्नो खुट्टामा उभिन सक्दैनन्. यो चुनौतीकै विषय बन्नेछ र आफ्नो खुट्टामा उभिनु र कसैप्रति भर पर्नु धेरै फरक कुराहरू हुन्. त्यसैले महिलाहरूले आफ्नो जीवन उकास्नको लागि स्वतन्त्र रूपमा आफ्नो खुट्टामा उभिन जरुरी छ. धन्यवाद.
And you will be answering Prashna Malnasa.
Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
So how are you?
I'm fine.
तपाईको विचारमा युवा पुस्ताहरूलाई सांस्कृतिक सचेतना किन महत्त्वपूर्ण छ?
प्रश्नको लागि धन्यवाद सर. म हजुरको प्रश्नको जवाफ दिन पाउँदा आफूलाई भाग्यशाली ठान्दछु. अवश्य पनि संस्कृति भनेको हाम्रो पहिचान हो. अहिलेको युवा पुस्तामा सांस्कृतिक सचेतना हुनु अत्यन्तै जरुरी छ। किन भन्दा भविष्यको ती सुन्दर सपनाहरू पुरा गर्ने र हाम्रो संस्कृतिलाई हाम्रो नेपालमा मात्र नभएर विश्व सामु चिनाउने सूचक र एउटा बाटो भनेको नै युवा पुस्ता हो। त्यसैले युवा पुस्ताहरूलाई आफ्नो संस्कृतिको सचेतना दिन अत्यन्तै जरुरी छ। धन्यवाद।
Nabina, you picked up Neil David Katwal.
Hello, Navina.
Hello, sir.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Okay, my question goes like this way. Among dress, food, and musical instrument, what will be your priority to promote your culture and why?
Before answering to your question, sir, I would like to thank all my supporters out there for cheering me up. And among dress, food, and music, I would choose dress because everyone wants to look attractive and impressive. The way we dress can influence the way we feel about ourselves. We are what we dress. So I would obviously choose dress. And being a fashion designer, I would like to promote dress. Thank you so much.
Next would be in this phase, number 5, Goma. And Goma would be answering to Bersha Rani Gurung.
Hello, Goma.
Hello, ma'am.
Do you think you're prepared?
Yeah.
The question is, आगामी 20 वर्षमा नेपालमा कस्तो किसिमको विकास देख्न चाहनुहुन्छ र त्यो कसरी सम्भव होला?
प्रश्नका लागि धन्यवाद म्याम। आगामी 20 वर्षमा म नेपाललाई आत्मनिर्भर र समृद्ध नेपालको रूपमा विकसित भएको हेर्न चाहन्छु र यो तब मात्र सम्भव छ जब सरकार र जनता दुवै लाग्नु पर्दछ। सरकारले राम्रो नीति ल्याई हाम्रो देशमा रहेको प्राकृतिक स्रोत तथा दक्ष जनशक्तिको सही सदुपयोग गर्नुपर्छ। देशमा रहेका भ्रष्टाचारलाई हटाई हाम्रा युथहरूलाई राम्रा रोजगारीको अवसर सृजना गर्नुपर्दछ र राम्रो काम गर्ने जनताहरूलाई प्रोत्साहन स्वरूप पुरस्कारको पनि व्यवस्था गर्नुपर्दछ र अन्त्यमा सरकारलाई स्वतन्त्र रूपमा काम गर्न सक्ने वातावरणको सृजना गर्नुपर्दछ। धन्यवाद।
Savita, you would be answering Santiram Raisa.
Hello, Savita.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
नेपाललाई विकसित मुलुकमा परिणत गर्न हाम्रा देशका राजनीतिज्ञलाई तपाईँ के सल्लाह दिनुहुन्छ?
प्रश्नको लागि धेरै धन्यवाद, सर। म हाम्रो देश विकास गर्नको लागि सर्वप्रथम त हाम्रो राजनीतिज्ञहरूलाई बाहिर ब्याक स्टेजमा मात्र बस्ने होइन कि उहाँहरू इन फ्रन्टमा आउनुपर्छ। कार्यकर्ताहरूलाई मात्रै काम गराउने होइन कि उहाँहरू आफै आएर एउटा राम्रो स्ट्र्याटेजी बनाएर देशलाई अघि बढाउने लङ टर्म प्लानिङ गर्न सक्नुपर्छ। लङ टर्म प्लानिङ गर्नको लागि सर्ट टर्म प्लानिङहरूलाई इम्प्लिमेन्ट गर्नुपर्छ। हो, त्यो सर्ट टर्म प्लानिङहरू इम्प्लिमेन्ट भयो भने लङ टर्म प्लानिङ आफै इम्प्लिमेन्ट हुन्छ, जसले गर्दाखेरि हाम्रो देशमा ससाना विकासदेखि लिएर ठुल्ठुला विकासहरू दीर्घकालीन हुन्छन्। धन्यवाद, सर।
And then she would be answering Aim Poon.
Hello, Diana.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you, sir?
I'm fine, thank you. You are looking quite beautiful.
Thank you. You two are looking very handsome, sir.
Is it? Thank you. Thank you very much. व्यक्तिको राम्रो व्यक्तित्व निर्माणमा के कस्ता पक्षले भूमिका खेल्दछन्?
Thank you for the question, sir. I think for a good personality, a person who has a good behavior, good knowledge about everything, should know how to react and how to talk to everyone so that you could be a good person. And then you should help everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
You would be answering Basudev Dahan.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Absolutely fine. Why do you think cultural awareness is important for youth?
Thank you for the wonderful question, sir, first. And I think we youth are the one who will transfer the culture to our new other youth, and we will be
taking our culture to the next step with the help of giving hand in hand to our young coming youth and so on. Thank you for the question, sir.
Welcome.
And Vandana, you would be answering Subin Limbu.
तपाईँ भविष्यमा के बन्न चाहनुहुन्छ र किन?
First of all, thank you, ma'am, for such a wonderful question. It's my honor to answer your question. So first and the foremost thing, I want to be in my future. I want to be an entrepreneur so that I can economically contribute to my nation. Because if we see from the past, we had lots and lots of political revolution, right? But we never had an economic revolution, which is the strongest part to build up Nepal a prosperous one. So that if I become a successful entrepreneur, I can economically contribute my nation to build our, once again, prosperous Nepal. Thank you.
Preeti, she will be answering Neil David.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you,
Oh, you are
sir.
looking very gorgeous tonight.
Thank you so much. Same day.
Oh, thank you very much. In what ways do you think that this kind of pageant is going to contribute or help the betterment of women in general?
Thank you for your question, sir. I find very privileged to answer his question and to stand in front of you beautiful crowd out there. First and foremost, I would say like since 1994, when Nepal started Miss Nepal in this kind of beauty pageant, that has not only reflected the beauty, the brain and the body, but also reflected their personality, their achievement, their talent and their treasure that has to be yet found or it has yet to be discovered. Also, such kind of beauty pageant like me taking part in Miss Mongol 2016 has helped me not only in learning different kinds of grooming sessions or the walking ramp and all those things, but also it has helped me to make a very much better friendship and then build my personality to a higher level. Thank you.
And Baruna, you would be answering Santi Ramrai.
Hello, Baruna.
Hello, sir.
यदि तपाईले अलौकिक शक्ति प्राप्त गर्नुभयो र मुलुकका लागि कुनै तीनवटा कुरा परिवर्तन गर्नु पर्यो भने के परिवर्तन गर्नुहुन्छ र किन?
प्रश्नको लागि हजुरलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद सर। यदि मलाई अलौकिक शक्ति प्राप्त भयो भने म मेरो मुलुकको लागि 3 कुरा परिवर्तन गर्थे, जसमा संविधान निर्माणमा नसमेटेका जति पनि पक्षहरू छन् तिनीहरू सबै कुराहरूलाई म समेट्दथे। साथै लैङ्गिक समानता र जति पनि अहिले ग्लोबल वार्मिङ भइरहेको छ र यो पृथ्वीलाई फेरि पनि म एक हराभरा स्वच्छ निर्माण गर्नतर्फ लाग्थे। धन्यवाद सर।
So done with the words, and let's see whose words are going to be more impressive to get in the top 5 finalists. Thank you, girls. You may proceed backstage.